फैकलमैन ने ट्रिपल प्रेशर कुकर रेंज लॉन्च के साथ भारत में प्रीमियम पोर्टफोलियो को किया मजबूत। 2030 तक भारत से 500 करोड़ रुपए के टर्नओवर का लक्ष्य। गुरुग्राम में 18 अप्रैल 2026 को वैश्विक स्तर पर भरोसेमंद जर्मन किचनवेयर ब्रांड फैकलमैन ने आज भारत में अपनी ट्रिपल प्रेशर कुकर रेंज के लॉन्च की घोषणा की। ये लॉन्च कंपनी के प्रीमियम कुकवेयर पोर्टफोलियो में एक महत्वपूर्ण जोड़ है। ये रेंज इनर लिड और आउटर लिड दोनों वेरिएंट में उपलब्ध है और भारत में अपने प्रोडक्ट पोर्टफोलियो के विस्तार की कंपनी की रणनीति का हिस्सा है। साथ ही कंपनी का लक्ष्य 2030 तक भारतीय मार्केट से 500 करोड़ रुपए का टर्नओवर हासिल करना है। ये लॉन्च उच्च गुणवत्ता और नवाचार आधारित किचन सॉल्यूशंस प्रदान करने के फैकलमैन के निरंतर प्रयास को दर्शाता है, जो बदलती उपभोक्ता आवश्यकताओं के अनुरूप है। जर्मन इंजीनियरिंग और शिल्प कौशल की एक सदी से अधिक पुरानी विरासत के साथ और जर्मनी के हर्सब्रुक में मुख्यालय होने के कारण फैकलमैन भारत में अपनी उपस्थिति को लगातार मजबूत कर रहा है। ये लॉन्च ऐसे समय में हुआ है जब भारतीय उपभोक्ता टिकाऊ, सुरक्षित और बेहतर प्रदर्शन वाले कुकवेयर की ओर तेजी से आकर्षित हो रहे हैं। ट्रिपल प्रेशर कुकर को 3 लेयर संरचना के साथ डिजाइन किया गया है, जिसमें 304 फूड ग्रेड स्टेनलेस स्टील, शुद्ध एल्यूमिनियम कोर और इंडक्शन फ्रेंडली 430 स्टेनलेस स्टील शामिल हैं, जो समान रूप से गर्मी वितरण और बेहतर कुकिंग प्रदर्शन सुनिश्चित करते हैं। ये बेहतर प्रोडक्ट ISI प्रमाणित है। प्रत्येक यूनिट का 100% लीक टेस्ट किया जाता है और ये 5 साल की वारंटी के साथ आता है, जो गुणवत्ता और सुरक्षा के प्रति फैकलमैन की प्रतिबद्धता को दर्शाता है। आइए देखते हैं पूरी रिपोर्ट इस खबर में।
Over to talk about what our consumer is saying.
Okay.
What is our observation, the researches that we have been doing,
Okay. So
plus the reason that we have come here.
correct.
launched.
Correct. So broadly, just to bring you to speed, we did a very big research with EY, Ernst & Young in 2022 or 2023. So roughly we did a research. We did a year-long research just to figure out what is exactly that the consumer needs. Because one thing is about making a kitchen tool and supplying like anybody else, but the other thing was to find do a need gap analysis to exactly understand and figure out how it is, and where does our expertise in terms of manufacturing, in terms of having more than 10,000 products globally fit into that. And basis that, we also did and these are some of the consumer voices that came in terms of they are looking into hygiene. For example, if you find a cookware with a rivet, what happens when you start cooking, the food gets on those rivets and that stays. So there's a bacterial formation there. So people look for a rivetless cookwares. So similarly, there are multiple things that people look into from a consumer voice. Basis that consumer voice, we started curating products more from the Indian market. For example, from a very non-stick point of view, if I say India was primarily selling non-sticks, we were, I think, one of the first ones to start getting full-fledged into a ceramic cookware, because on the health part and on the other sides, which also had the non-stick benefits, but at the same time had the benefits of being a very, very good on health. It's basically green on health. So that's what we started doing. So what was the Fäkelmann solution? Obviously quality, because that's in our DNA. We go, just to give you an example of quality, for example, if you buy say a pizza cutter in India, broadly you will find that the pizza cutter has a round blade and the blade is being sharpened from one side. Generally that is the pizza cutter that you find in India. If you buy a Fäkelmann one, you will find it has been sharpened from both the sides. So small little things, but very effective, extremely effective. If you look into a soup ladle or a normal palta, as we call in Hindi, जिससे हम पराठे बनाते हैं, normal जिससे हम पराठे बनाते हैं, उसमें you will find out we have the silicone ones. इंडिया में जो सिलिकॉन मिलता है, you will also find a 90 rupee silicone spatulas in the market. The problem is at 100 degrees they start emitting molecules maybe. We have a 220 degree, that's what we say, that at that degree there will be no emissions from that. So these are small little things but goes a long way in preserving your health. You see, because अगर उससे molecules निकलने लगते हैं, अगर वो cheap quality का है, you are actually putting the health of your entire family into danger. So that is what we mean by quality. Quality is nothing else. It's about what's good for all of us. That brings us to the next level, that is innovation. We bring in products which are much more innovative in terms of from a utility point of view. सो कढ़ाई तो हम बचपन से यूज़ करते आ रहे हैं. हाउ डू आई ब्रिंग यूटिलिटी टू इट? कैन आई इंक्रीज द वॉल and the base can be made chota so that with lesser oil you can cook more food. Small little innovations, but that goes a long way when we are talking about a typical cooking in Indian households. Right? So quality, innovation, and acceptance and stuff like that. So sustainability is something that we do at a global level. We are one of the top 50 climate leaders in the world. So there are other big companies like
etc.
like Nestle and others. We are also a part of that. So this is what we bring to the doing all these things. What we have been doing for the last 10 years is that we were primarily focused on tools and gadgets because that is where our DNAs are. We are very strong in that. We we are the leading manufacturers for that. We recently 2-3 years back we introduced a new category of bakeware. Now baking in India is not a very organized till now. We spend a lot of money on baking ingredients, but not on the baking tools. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारे घरों में आज भी स्प्रिंग फॉर्म में हम बेकिंग नहीं करते, हम एक नॉर्मल से एल्युमिनियम के इसमें बेकिंग कर लेते हैं. उसमें फोकस नहीं हुआ है अभी तक. वी हैव नॉट फोकस्ड ऑन दैट टिल नाउ. वी want to bring focus on that because we are leaders in these categories, and these are future categories. मतलब as we go ahead in another 4, 5, 7 years, you will see in India baking will eventually become big because धीरे धीरे चालू हो ही गया है. You will find a lot of things happening. Similarly, after baking, the other category that we got into was cookware. Why? Because cookware in itself is the largest category in India. In this space, if I talk about this space, the largest category is cookware. That includes a kadhai, a tawa, a fry pan, a casserole, a pressure cooker and everything. इन सब में सबसे complicated pressure cooker रहा होगा. That's where we are getting. But हमारे पास बाकी सारी चीजें हैं. A broad assortment of what we sell is this. A broad assortment. This has everything. So kitchen tools, cookwares, very innovative cutleries, travel cut kits. We have hundreds of things in this. Right? तो ये पूरा assortment लेके now what we are doing is that now we are getting into new product launches one after the other, and every year, and as we speak, as I said earlier, हम पहले marketing नहीं करते थे because we were more into the manufacturing and creating our backend strong. Now we have a very strong backend. We exactly know what we want to do. We know exactly at what price point we can create a product at a quality which is a couple of notch higher. Just to give you an analogy, maybe I don't know if it is right. If I talk about automobiles, there is a Maruti and then there is a Mercedes. ठीक है, दोनों ही अपने अपने जगह ठीक है. And then there is a Toyota in between, which has quality, which is not as cheap as a Maruti, but not as expensive as a Mercedes maybe. That is exactly the space in this category that we want to take on broadly, है ना? So that is what we are looking into. But for that, the first thing was getting your backend ready, which is manufacturing, which is getting the right quality of product, right quality of people, having everything else good. Once we have done, now we are getting into the 360-degree marketing as we talk about online, offline activations. This is, for example, if I broadly say, day one of marketing for us, because this is the first time we are having this kind of a gathering. And hopefully from going forward from here, we will every year have we will call you all guys, and we'll talk about more and more about us, what we are doing, new products that we are bringing in. Every year we will bring in some new set of products, and that's what we want to grow. Because you see, 100 crores is nothing. I think we are putting up till 2027, 28. We can do it much earlier. The other milestones that we have for us, we need to reach it fast with the right set of products. But just not by marketing, but also by giving the right set of products that the Indian consumer needs. Fine. So broadly, if we are ready, we are launching the pressure cookers today. This is a small video of the pressure cookers that we are going to launch. If you can. हाय, मेरा नाम जॉय है और मैं कंपनी का डायरेक्टर हूँ. और ये एक जर्मन कंपनी है. पिछले हम 100 साल पुरानी कंपनी है. इंडिया में हम पिछले 10 सालों से हैं और हमारी 2 मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट्स हैं इंडिया में, और हम किचन वेयर में डील करते हैं. हम ग्लोबली सबसे बड़े मैन्युफैक्चरर हैं किचन वेयर के, किचन टूल्स के, एंड यूरोप में हम ब्रांड लीडर्स हैं इस पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी में. इंडिया में हम पिछले 4 साल से अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. वी हैव और आगे भी करते रहेंगे। उसमें अभी पॉइंट ये है कि अभी हम प्रेशर कुकर लॉन्च की बात कर रहे हैं। हम किचन टूल्स में हैं, हम बेकवेयर में हैं, हम कुकवेयर में भी है। कुकवेयर में अभी तक हम नॉन स्टिक, सेरामिक और ट्राइप्लाई बेच रहे थे, बेसिकली तवा, कढ़ाई, फ्राई पैन एंड अदर थिंग्स। अब हम प्रेशर कुकर में आ रहे हैं। फ्यूचर में हम और कैटेगरीज में जाएंगे, जैसे स्टोरेज हो गया, स्मॉल अप्लायंसेस हो गया। सो अगर हम बात करें अगला 4 से 5 सालों में, आप किचन में के बारे में कुछ भी पाएंगे अपार्ट फ्रॉम किचन फर्नीचर, वो सारा कुछ हम बनाएंगे।
आज की जो लॉन्चिंग है वो क्या है?
आज की लॉन्चिंग हमारी प्रेशर कुकर की है।
क्या कुछ खास है आपके प्रेशर कुकर में?
हमारा प्रेशर कुकर जो है क्वालिटी वाइज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन द इंडस्ट्री होगा, क्योंकि ये जर्मन इंजीनियरिंग से बना हुआ है और यूरोपियन स्टैंडर्ड्स है। तो जो हर एक छोटी चीज़ होती है, प्रेशर टेस्टिंग से लेके विसल टेस्टिंग से लेके ईच एंड एवरी प्रोडक्ट का टेस्टिंग के बाद हम मार्केट में लाते हैं। दूसरा है कि हमारा जो गैसकेट है वो सिलिकॉन का होता है, रबर्स का नहीं होता है। प्लस प्राइस वाइज अगर मैं बात करूँ, क्योंकि प्राइस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इंडियन मार्केट के हिसाब से, तो अगर मैं किसी भी टॉप प्लेयर्स, इंडिया में जितने टॉप प्लेयर्स उनकी बात करूँ, तो या तो उसके अटपार होंगे या तो उससे 5, 10, 15, 20% नीचे होंगे प्राइस में, ऊपर नहीं होंगे। सो वैल्यू देने की बात है। कंज्यूमर को एक प्रोडक्ट देंगे जो क्वालिटी वाइज सबसे बेटर हो, एट अ प्राइस वाइज जो बेस्ट कॉम्पिटिटर से थोड़ा सा नीचे हो, सो दैट उनको वैल्यू मिल सके।
Hi, my name is Martin Strack. I'm the global CEO of Fackelmann, and yeah, I'm delighted to be in Delhi today. One of my very frequent visits over the past few years, and yeah, I'm very excited that Fackelmann is launching its new pressure cooker range in the Indian market as of today. It has been a long project, and yeah, Fackelmann, a leading manufacturer of kitchenware across the globe. Our core market is or has been historically Europe and Germany, but finally we're coming with a lot of energy into the Indian market. We set up, as my colleague said, a manufacturing plant here over the last couple of years with significant investments, and yeah, we want to now expand our commitment to the Indian market. If somebody asked me in our business, what's your top priority at the moment? My number one priority is India. My second priority is India, and my third priority is India. So we are very excited, and we have a great team here on the ground. And yeah, we're excited now to launch our pressure cookers with the Indian consumers, and I hope they have as much fun in the kitchen as many other global customers and consumers of Pokemon. Thank you very much.